How to change ID on Ometv. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your ID on your Ometv. So first of all you have to do is just open the Ometv app in your device, or you can also follow these steps in your mobile application because these steps are quite similar. And after that, just simply click on the settings icon from there and just log out from the existing account that has been logged in to your Ometv. And after that, just refresh the page and you will be able to see the different options to log into your Ometv. For example, you can go ahead and continue login with the Facebook account that you have, and you can also use your VK account in order to log into your Ometv account. For example, I'm going to choose my Facebook account. So the trick here is to already open a new window in your device, and after that just simply open Facebook, and over here in the Facebook app just make sure to log in from a different account in the Facebook in order to change the ID in your Ometv from your Facebook. And once you are done login with your different account in your Facebook, just go ahead and click on continue with Facebook, and there you go, you will be logged in your Ometv with a different ID that you have just changed. So this is basically how you will be able to change your ID in your Ometv. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.